nagyapon ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so cadets, thank you for your output, no, for your proposal, thesis proposal, and thank you for your presentation, no. So your presentation, we have learned about the content of your thesis proposal. Okay, with regards to your title is very good talaga. Select, okay na siya. Okay, wala na tayo sabon diha. Okay na. And then, we will proceed to statement of the problem. Although, dali lang yung buhat, wala tayong arrange. Pero good ang pagka-istorya. Okay na siya. Okay, mayo. Ato lang i-change ang examine. Yung moral examine, determine na lang. Simple word to determine whether the respondent's knowledge in simulator based. Very good siya. Inyong hypothesis, tama po, pagkabuhat. Mayo, very good. Pag abot lang, ang inyong conceptual, okay na po siya. Conceptual, masabta naman na to ang IBDB. Ang IB, tail sa aro, sa buntot, nga box. Ang head, DB naman na. Or else, pwede po butang IBDB sa babaw. Okay naman siya. And then, nalapit concern isa sa sample ninyo. Why your target population 3rd year and 4th year? Dapat yung 4th year?
Kinopya nila ba?
Nagunaw na kayo basig apilo ninyo ng mga nagkuan? Ikas barko? Mag-listen man ta o kuan nila gather.
Revise naman po.
Revise. Mao na kung kaganahan sa inyo. 3rd year lang.
Ay sir, revise na naman sir.
Focus na lang. Focus on 3rd year.
Mayo.
Revise na naman.
Mayo. Kamoy nagbuhat ani?
Yes.
Mayo, very good. Mayo. Kabuhat. Good siya. Kina siya. Kinang ko siya lang. Mayo yung cases.
Okay, good afternoon.
Sir.
Your title is about simulator-based evaluation of students. So, I just want to know what kind of simulator are you going to use for evaluating? What type of simulator are you going to use for this kind of evaluation? Some they need to make the student complete